Here I've got MEIZU M8 Lite, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then locate and open dim and wallpaper, and now click on wallpaper. And just pick the one that you would like to apply. You can select something from your gallery or from the default wallpapers. I will choose, for example, this one, and then tap on apply. Decide if you want this picture to cover just your lock screen, your home screen, or maybe both of them, and I would like to set it as both, home and lock screen. You can also blur it if you want to, but I will leave it this way, and then just tap on OK. And that's it. As you can see, you've got brand new wallpaper, and also your lock screen is covered with this picture. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.